how to redeem V-Bucks card or how to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem the V-Bucks gift card or you can redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks card. Now the process is simple and easy. You want to head into your browser on any of your device, and at the search bar at the top, what you want to do is you want to search in for redeem V-Bucks gift card. Simply search for it and you'll get this first link, Fortnite V-Bucks redeem. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see redeem your V-Bucks card option here. Tap on get started. It'll ask you to log into your account. Now you can see it says here, since you are logged into your Epic account, please enter the code from the back of your V-Bucks card below. Then choose the device you play Fortnite on. So enter in the code, choose the device you play on, choose the account that you want to redeem your V-Bucks on. So choose all those options and then go ahead and redeem it. It'll ask you for confirmation, confirm those details, and then you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can redeem your V-Bucks card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.